Femina's expertise in the beauty and the fashion industry is 54-year-old. We have the credibility, we have the experts. It was time that we used this appeal across and make a magazine for the experts, by the experts. And that's how Femina Salon Spa has come about for the beauty industry and the hair industry. It's going to be a monthly affair, and we hope that the technical information that is given out and the trends and the stories that are shared appeal to everybody across board, but mostly for the experts in this particular industry.
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you to Team Femina. I think my association with Femina doesn't go back just to the cover that we did last year, but I'm sure as a girl, Femina is deeply rooted with all of us, I'm sure. So right from college days and all, this is one magazine. Like, of course, when we enter this industry, you get introduced and you're more aware in terms of magazines and fashion and all. But Femina is one magazine that I'm sure every girl could easily relate to. So for me, when this opportunity came that they're launching a beauty magazine and I'll be the cover girl for the launch, I was really excited. And I'm sure the pictures, the photo shoot, and I've seen the pictures. I may sound a little immodest, but I love them. And yes, the cover, they've still kept a surprise. I don't know which is the cover picture. So, and it's very interesting, the idea what Tanya was sharing with us, that to get yourself to see, to be seen in a different look which you don't expect probably out of yourself. That is something pretty challenging and very interesting. So let's see. Thank you so much. It was really lovely. कॉलेज के टाइम कि कोई भी फैशन से रिलेटेड कोई चीज़ हो या ब्यूटी से रिलेटेड कुछ चीज़ें हो or anything facts and figures, and I think Femina is a very right combination of a lot of things. It has a mix of little Bollywood also. It has something which perhaps I love the section where there's some real life stories of women. I think they're extremely inspiring. और वाकई में वो पढ़ती हूँ and जिस तरह के I'm sure the responses are also which you get, it's very genuine. So this is one magazine which will never go out of date, which will never you'll think it's done to death times. It's something which will only go younger and younger, and we'll keep loving it more and more.